Hello, in this video I'm going to show you the clear screen shortcut. So imagine if I type a bunch of commands in there, they can be anything you want. You're using it, maybe you're going to say cd to desktop, you're going to do list, maybe you're going to do that type of list, you're going to do ls-l, you're going to do all this stuff, and it's beginning to, it's like the screen has become a bit clogged up in terms of the amount of stuff that you can see. So maybe you want basically a fresh slate. So imagine if I open up a new terminal. Imagine you want it like that. So it's right at the top. You can't see any of the old commands anymore. And what you can do is press Control L and it clears it. It doesn't actually delete it. It just essentially moves it to the top. That's just something to bear in mind. And if I just do some more commands again, to another way of clearing it outside of Control L is CLEAR. So the word clear, that also clears it. That does the same thing again. It just scrolls you down. So the input is now right at the top. Really simple, but extremely useful. I'll recommend using this because it can really, just save your brain when you're looking at some commands that you've initiated and you start to get confused and you just want like a clean slate, but you don't want to constantly have to close and open up a new terminal. That's it. If you have any questions, feel free to pop me a message, and as usual, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.